Okay, so next in our scales for Irish music on the Discount Recorder, we have the G scale. So that's going to start on the note G, and then A, and then B, and then C, and then D, and then high E, which has the split thumb hole, which I'll show you with the other thumb. Okay, you need to have that half covered, and you need your nail to be not stopping that from happening, so you might need to file that down a bit. That's the F sharp. Sorry. And you may well find tunes beneath that, sorry, notes beneath that in some tunes. So you need to be able to go beneath the G, down to the D. And you often have the D followed by the G. So the D is like an introduction. Now this is a really important scale in Irish music. A lot of the kind of happy sounding jigs like the Kesh, for example, etc. So, you know, G major, really important. It's got that kind of happy, positive feel. But yeah, these scales, it's like I said in the previous video, you've got to have mastery of the scales, you know, in a very methodical, and then fast as well. Practice with a metronome as well, so you've got like exact divisions. That sort of thing. And let alone ornaments and stuff like that. So there's so much that you need to be able to do kind of in isolation from tunes. I know it's more fun to play tunes, but as I said in a previous video, you're going to get a lot further, a lot quicker if you actually take the time to go back to the basics, get the nuts and bolts sorted, and then you can put them into the tune without having to kind of do both at once. So as well as learning a tune and trying to get the flow of a tune, you're also trying to practice your fundamentals, which aren't quite solid yet. Okay, so G major scale for Irish music.